Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 33 video lecture for grade 7 students, boys and girls. I am Mrs. Rosia Imran, your mathematics teacher. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is about circumference, area and volume. So in this lecture, we will study three exercises. In first exercise 12.1, question number 1, first and third part is included. Then after that, question number 2 and question number 3 is included. Similarly, exercise 12.2, question number 1, first and third part, then question number 2 and 3 included. So exercise 12.3, question number 2, 3 and 5 included. Before going to start exercise, these two formulas you should memorize for exercise 12.1. The first formula is circumference of a circle. What is circumference? The boundary. The boundary of the circle is called circumference. Boundary of a circle is called circumference. For other shapes, just like a triangle, square, you know that boundary of a triangle or boundary of a square is perimeter of that shape. But here in form of a circle, so boundary of a circle is circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Pi, you know that it having fixed value 22 over 7. Fixed value 22 over 7. What is radius? Radius is the distance from the center to the boundary. From the center to the boundary, you know that the line which is passes through the center, this complete line which touch the circle in 2 point, that is called diameter. Diameter is the double of radius. So 2r is equal to diameter. So circumference of a circle, you can also write it pi d. D is the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2r. Means from center to boundary, this is radius 1. From center to boundary, radius 2. So r1 plus r2 is 2r, that is equal to diameter. And area of a circle is the internal area of the circle, that is pi r square. Means that the radius value square, radius value you multiply 2 times and then multiply with pi. Clear? Now come to the first question, exercise 12.1. Here you have given find the unknown quantity, means that the unknown value when pi is equal to 22 over 7. So two values are unknown. Look at this figure. Radius is given 1.8 centimeter, diameter is missing and circumference is missing. You know the formula of diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiply r, 2 radius, and circumference is 2 pi r. So r value is given, pi value is given, so you can easily find it. What you have given that pi is equal to 22 over 7. It's already given in the question. If it is not given in the question, again it's understood that its value will be always 22 over 7. Clear? Then after that, radius is given 1.8 centimeter. This is already given in the question. Look at the figure. In figure, it's already given that radius is 1.8 centimeter. Then what you are going to find? Diameter you are going to find. This is unknown. And circumference you are going to find. This is unknown. Look, C and then question mark means that circumference you are going to find. So diameter is equal to 2r. 2r means 2 multiply radius. This is the formula of diameter. You know that diameter is this line which passes through the center and radius is from center to boundary. So 2 times radius is equal to diameter. So 2r. Now you put value in this. So you can easily find the diameter. 2 multiply with the radius value 1.8 centimeter. With your calculator, 2 multiply with 1.8, you get 3.6 centimeter. So diameter we find it, that is 3.6 centimeter. Now come to the circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. So in this we put value 2, we write as it is. Pi is 22 over 7, r is 1.8. So this value we put 222 over 7, 1.8 centimeter. So when we multiply 2 with 22, it is 44. 44 multiply with 1.8 and then divide by 7. So we get 11.31 centimeter. So 11.31 centimeter is the circumference. I hope you will understand it. Now come to the third part. In third part, circumference is already given. Look at the question. Circumference is given 23.3 centimeter. What is missing? Diameter is missing and radius is missing. So these two values we are going to find. So in third part, diameter is missing. Pi value is 22 by 7 already given. Circumference value is given 23.3 centimeter. Radius is missing. So circumference formula, you know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So you put the value of circumference here in this side 23.3. It's already given in the question. 2 and then pi value 22 by 7. R is missing, so you write R as it is. Okay, the missing value you write as it is. Now after that, you know that this 7 is divide here. When shifted at other side, it will be multiply with 23.3. 2 into 22 is 44. 44 multiply with radius. When shifted at other side, divide. So 7 multiply with 23.3 and then divide by 44. So we get radius 3.7068 centimeter. Radius we find it. Now easily we can find the diameter. Diameter is 2r. So 2r, r value we already find it. 2 multiply the value of the radius. So we get the diameter value 7.4 centimeter. Clear? I hope you will understand it. Now come to question number 2. The diameter of a circle is 11.6 centimeter. Here diameter value is given. Find the circumference of the circle. Circumference means 2 pi r. Formula is 2 pi r. This you are going to find. So what you have given? Given that diameter 11.6 centimeter. We know that circumference is pi d or 2 pi r because d is 2r. So in place here radius is not given. That's why we use the formula. Circumference formula is pi d. It is 2 pi r. So 2r is equal to d. That's why we put d here. So pi value is 22 over 7 and d value is 11.6. Multiply with 22, divide by 7. So we get circumference 36.457 centimeter. Question number 3 is your homework. You will do it by yourself. Very easy. In question number 3, radius is given and find the circumference of a circle. So when radius given, then the circumference formula you will write 2 pi r. Okay. Pi value 22 by 7. R value is given 9.8. So you solve, you will get the circumference. So third question is your homework. Now we will start the next exercise. Next exercise is also about circles. In this we find the area of a circle. Look, find the area of each of the following circle. Area formula. In the start of the lesson I explained that it is pi r square. You memorize this formula. Area of a circle is pi r square. So radius is given 2.8 centimeter. You are going to find the area of the circle. Given that radius r 2.8 centimeter, area of a circle is pi r square. So pi value 22 by 7 and r value 2.8 centimeter whole square. Square means that this 2.8 you multiply 2 times, not with 2. You multiply it 2 times, means 2.8 multiply with itself. 2.8 multiply 2.8. and then multiply with 22 and divide by 7. So you get 24.64 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because this square is present on 2.8 and also present on centimeter. So means that this square will come on centimeter also. So you get the area of a circle. So third part is also radius is given. Radius you have given, you are going to calculate the area. Radius is 5.6 centimeter. Area of a circle formula pi r square. Put value pi 22 by 7, r is 5.6 centimeter whole square. So 5.6 centimeter whole square means that this square is present on 5.6 and also present on centimeter. So 5.6 multiply with 5.6 multiply with 22 and divide by 7. So we get 98.56 centimeter square. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is find the area of a circle whose circumference is 31.43 centimeter. You know that for area you must know the radius. Here circumference is given. So from circumference we find the radius and then we calculate area. Okay. First of all, circumference given 31.43 centimeter. Area of a circle is pi r square. R value we don't know, so we find it from circumference. We know that circumference is 2 pi r. So we put value in this. Circumference value is given 31.43. So below C we write its value, then equal sign, then 2 as it is. Pi is 22 by 7. R we don't know, so we write R as it is. 22 into 2, 44. 7 divide here, shifted at other side, it will multiply. 44 multiply, shifted at other side, it will be divided like this. Okay, so when you multiply 31.43 with 7 and divide by 44, you get the radius value 5 centimeter. Clear? 5 centimeter. 7 multiply with 31.43 to 20.01 divide by 44. This multiply with this, so we get this one value. And 44 is in division, so it will write in division. So we get R 5 centimeter. R we find it. Now we can easily find the area of a circle. Pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 5 centimeter whole square. So 5 square is 25. 25 multiply with 22 divide by 7. Look, 25 centimeter square. So it multiply with 22 and divide by 7. So we get 78.571 centimeter square. Question number 3 is your homework. You will do it by yourself. In this, radius of a circle is given. You have to calculate the area and circumference. Very easy. When radius is given 6.3, circumference is 2 pi r. You just put the value of pi and then r, you will get circumference, and for area pi r square, you put value of pi and r, so you will get the circumference. So question number 3 is your homework. Now come to the next exercise. Next exercise is surface area. This is about the cylinder. So when you have to find the surface area of the cylinder, so the formula is 2 pi r multiply h plus r. Formula is slightly different, so you will memorize it. Okay. Surface area formula is what? 2 pi r multiply h plus r. Okay. So surface area of a curved surface is, that is surface area formula 2 pi r into h plus r. So this formula you will use. Question number 2. The radius of a cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. Radius is given. Length is 5.2 centimeter. Calculate the surface area of the cylinder. So Given that r radius 1.4 centimeter, height, length is the height of the cylinder 5.2 centimeter. You have to calculate surface area of a cylinder. This is the formula, you will memorize it. Okay, surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r multiply with h plus r. H is the height or the length, r is the radius. So we put value 2 as it is. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 1.4 centimeter. Bracket means no sign. Bracket means multiplication. 5.2 centimeter h value and r value. First you add these because you know that the bracket value you solve first and after that the outside value. So 5.2 you add with 1.4. After that you multiply with 1.4 and then 22 and then 2 and then divide by 7 like this. Look, 2 multiply with 22, you get 44. 44 multiply with 1.4, you get 61.6 divided by 7. And when 5.2 add with 1.4, you get 6.6. Now this 6.6 multiply with 61.6 centimeter, okay, and then divide by 7. So we get 58.08 centimeter square because centimeter multiply with centimeter, centimeter square. Question number 3 is the radius of a circle is 6.3 centimeter. Calculate the area and circumference of the circle. Radius is given. Question number 3 is find the surface area of 7.4 centimeter long iron rod, means that this is the value of H, and 3.1 centimeter radius, this is the value of R. You are going to find the surface area. So you know the formula. H is given 7.4 centimeter, R is given 3.1 centimeter. Surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r multiply with h plus r. You memorize this formula. Okay, it will not be given in the question. So 2, value of pi 22 by 7, value of r 3.1 centimeter multiply with bracket 7.4 h value and plus r value 3.1 centimeter. Now this 7.4 and 3.1, first you add them because it's given inside the bracket. So bracket we solve first, we add them, we get 10.5. So 10.5 multiply with 3.1, what we get, that multiply with 22, that multiply with 2, and then whole answer divide by 7. So we get 204.6 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the cylinder. And next question, the last question, question number 4 of this exercise, you will do it by yourself. In this you have given the length, means h value 5 meter, radius is given in centimeter. So first you convert the meter into centimeter by multiply with 100. So it will be 500 centimeter. Okay, remember before solving, 5 meter, 5 is given in meter, the length is given in meter, and radius is given in centimeter. So the meter you convert in centimeter. 5 multiply with 100, so 500 centimeter is the value of H. 5.3 is the value of R, and you are going to calculate the surface area of the curved surface by the same way. Clear? So question number 5 is your homework. So this is your homework. Exercise 12, from each exercise one question homework. Exercise 12.1 question number 3. Exercise 12.2 question number 3. And exercise 12.3 question number 5. The diameter of a cylinder is given. From this you find the radius, length is given, That is the value of h, and you find the surface area of the curved surface. Okay, question number 5 is your homework. So I hope you will understand it. So you will understand it. If any difficulty, you can ask in Zoom meeting class. Again, I'm going to repeat the formulas which we study in this exercise. First formula which we study, that is the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Circumference is the boundary of the circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. The inside of the circle, that is area of the circle, pi r square. And the third formula which you study, that is the area of the curved surface, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. So you revise these formulas and note down in your notebook first, and then you do these exercise inshallah. Next exercise 12.4 and 12.5 and 12.6 in next lecture. Then we will start chapter number 13. Take care. Allah Hafiz.